Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Man, what a day. What's going on, bro?
Morning, family. I ain't taking no trades yet.
Yeah, I took one trade. Well, let me check this down. Market busting now.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. What's this? Hold on. Wait. Hmm.
So special.
How you looking, bro? Oh, let me go to the Zoom. I don't even have the Zoom on.
I just hit target on that one.
Oh, let's go. Let's go, man. Now they about to dump heavy.
Mm-hmm.
There they go. Wait, where's my so this one's done. This one. Okay. So I'm not even caring about this chart anymore. Because that one already hit target.
I guess we're just shorting today.
Yeah. It looks like it. Looks like that's not a bad place to be.
Order submitted.
Whoa. 10 o'clock news.
Oh, just now, huh?
Mm-hmm. So that is 10 o'clock. That's existing home sales. So let me make sure I mark that off because I see. Let me see. Is it marked off already as high impact? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I already did that. Existing home sales always going to be marked off as high impact. Always, always, always. Yeah. Okay. So I had an inverse algo that I was gonna use, and
Right.
I didn't replicate today because I was like, because usually what happens is in a choppy market it works beautifully, but I know that if basically it wasn't gonna work today. So
And we know that today is not a normal day. This is not your everyday.
right. Exactly. Bro, this shit is volatile. Oh my god. Look at this shit. This is pretty volatility.
Order filled.
Yeah, get up out of there. Yeah, it is not the time to try to be a hero right now. I'm thinking yeah, I don't know if let's see what we got.
Order filled.
Okay. We'll stop right here. I'll put our target right here. I would like to see now I'm going to. Oh yeah, we in that. Okay, I'm gonna break it. Oh shit! I can't even move. Oh, trail. Okay, move the trail up. Move the trail up. Oh yeah, I'm long.
Ooh, let's go.
Come on, higher. Oh, I'm long. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. I'm long in this bitch. My trail should be kicking in soon. Very soon.
Stop filled.
Okay, here we go. That was manual, by the way. That was a nice little trade. Wait, oh no, I didn't. Oh. Are you fucking serious, bro? Bruh. Oh my god.
Bro, that's crazy.
Bro, I wasn't copying to everything.
Oh, Ricky.
Wow.
I wanted to take that trade, but I ain't gonna lie, I was scared, bro. I was scared to take that trade. I was eyeing it. I was eyeing it too at. I was thinking of getting in at 487.
Bro, I'm tight. Bro, I thought I copied everywhere. That was a banger. Bro, my entry was Oh well, I guess it wasn't. It was only like 12 points, but I'm sorry, 22 points. But everything wasn't being copied to. All right, so that guy, they're up a good amount. Ooh, I didn't realize I had ratioed on. Okay. Yeah, those are ratioed. Okay, that one's good. That one's good. Yeah, man, it's good to just take your time, man. Just because, like, wow, that was annoying as hell, bro.
Yeah, I feel you.
Okay, that's cool. Okay. Yeah. I gotta put. This one's gotta be on there too. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I got a trader made $200 on 2 micros. I made $100 on 2 micros, I should say. I'll show y'all. This is the small risk.
The market's actually flying right now.
Yeah, it's flying. I'm gonna show you my my small risk template, which I should be running a bunch of accounts through this one. Man, that's what I should do. Oh. Hey, let's go.
What up?
Starts now and September 30th. They just lowered the PA fees, bro. I have a bunch of accounts. Yes, Apex. Let's go, bro. I have a bunch of PAs that I'm gonna activate. That.
Nice.
Oh, Apex. Let's go. All right, I'm not gonna. Let me see. Do that up for the next stream. But yeah, bro, market is busting.
Mm-hmm.
Big bust. Let's go. 80% off the first month, 50% off recurring months. That's what they're running right now. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's Apex's version of the 90% off right now. 80% off the first month, 50% off recurring months. Let's update these banners while I'm on stream. So, Apex. That's another special. Oh, hold on. Market is moving right now, bro. Moving. Damn. Yeah. What's that? Yeah. Oh.
What up?
She just no, it's my because our dog now, bruh. Our dog jumps on our bed now. Crazy. Yeah, market's busting.
Yeah, we fixing to be on the 61.8.
Mm-hmm.
Getting these accounts ready for the 61.8.
save one thing right quick and then I'm chilling. Okay. Yeah, market's busting.
Yeah, straight rip.
So special.
Yeah. Word. Where is and this all ends the 30th.
So special. So special.
Okay.
Looks like wanting to pull back from 50.
Yeah.
So special.
Order submitted.
Close.
Yeah. Oh, you ready to short?
Oh yeah. There's that little fair value gap right there too.
Order filled.
Just a hair, just a hair. Come on, let's get that little push.
Here they come.
Oh no, Ricky.
What happened?
I still haven't. It hasn't triggered my sell yet.
Oh. Oh yeah, you good.
Order submitted. Order filled.
That's funny. Yeah, man, this is
30-minute about to close.
mhm.
So special.
Yeah, this is fire. Mm.
So special.
Ooh, nice. Let's go.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Looks like we're getting looks like people are getting active. We're
Was
getting
that
active. I said people are getting active.
Mm-hmm.
I like that. Okay. Yeah, they looks like they're doing the thing.
Yeah, I think they're already trying to flip from here.
Mm-hmm.
So special.
This is. Oh, where's my doggy? Where's my baby? Oh, she's back on the ground. She didn't jump back in the bed. She's back on the ground. Yeah, man. Yeah, today was nice. I didn't fully capitalize on it the exact way I wanted to, but
So
that's
special.
okay. Mhm. Yeah. Hmm. I think they're about to do it.
The airway. Come on.
That boy wants to short that shit so bad. Let's go. Yes, sir. Hmm.
So special.
They
Marcus said,
scared.
yeah, y'all gotta chill out. Yeah. Like, hey, yo, I see you, but you gotta relax there, buddy. Yeah, that boy Nutty blew all his shit. I don't know if you peeped.
Oh, Ricky.
Yeah, he posted his he posted his recap video this morning. So
I'm gonna have to watch that shit.
yeah, I'm like, damn, I feel for dude.
bro, it's heartbreaking. And it'll be on days like this when you say, oh, you know, we probably gonna bounce or do some shit, and like sometimes, you know, we marry that idea and boom.
Yeah. Crazy. Market trying to go. Yeah, everything is pushing up. Trying.
Damn, we might not get this 61.8.
Yeah, we might not. But that's okay.
Looks like they're already trying to drop.
Yeah. Yeah, they not. No, they trying. They playing with my guy.
They sure are. Like,
They
damn.
playing with my guy. Damn. They playing with my guy, man.
This is wild. I think we might end up doing it before we even touch it.
Yeah. There they go. Oh man. Hmm. Man. They just stuck right here, huh?
Yeah. Raging hard.
Yeah. Okay. They about to do it for you, boy.
Just need a little hair. Come on. Ooh.
Mm.
Dang it.
They're trying to do it for you, boy. Your entry is right on the your order is right on the oh yeah, it's right on there. Yeah.
Come on, maybe just a hair. Just a hair.
Oh.
You can tell it's being short and heavy. That's why we can't even reach it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Bro, that was tight that day that I talked to that old school.
Yeah. So what even like how'd that even come about?
I seen him on the on Apex. So I reached out to him, hey, just chop it up. And then he said that. I'm like, oh, no way. Yeah, that's crazy. Dude's like old school, old school.
Yeah, that's fire. Damn, bro.
Yeah. They're playing with my emotions right now. Some people are already in profit.
Yeah.
No, Ricky.
Damn. That's that. Well, golden ratio.
Yes, sir. I met this dude that all he traces golden ratio.
Yeah, I mean that's what I'm saying. And then some people they mix a little bit more to it, and then some people mix. It all depends how you do it.
Yeah, I'm asking him if he's trying to join the squad. I'll BRB.
All right.
Order filled.
All right, I'm back. Oh, I'm finally in, huh?
You're finally in. Yes, sir.
We'll see what they're trying to do.
Mhm.
Oh, maybe not.
Damn. That boy Surge said golden ratio. Give me that. I need that. All of that.
It's looking good so far.
Come on, go down there. Go to 615 for my boy, man. I mean, that's a clean trade, bro.
That is.
Go down there. 5 more points for my guy. Dump it. Let's go. You trailing, huh? I can't even hear it. We can't hear it. Come on. Hear
Just
that
to hear.
sound? Well,
Maybe not.
maybe not. But that's all gravy.
Ooh, this is intense.
Yeah. Well, at least you got one trail in there, which is nice.
Yeah, I do got one
Happy
try.
about that.
Might get it.
There it is. Oh. I had paper hands on that other trade, damn. That's fine.
That was like the longest minute of my life right there.
Yeah, bro. I feel you. You got the you sharing the sound or nah?
I am.
Hey, okay. No, go down. Go down. Go down. Damn. Come on.
Stop filled.
Ricky.
Damn. But it's I mean It's crazy how they come to golden ratio when they chill out.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Let me fix that up actually. Man, that golden ratio is special for now. It's special until it's not, huh?
Yes, sir. Do the same thing every day.
Yep. Yeah. 'Mean, I'm talking about like dump.
One minute.
1 minute for what?
Hourly close.
Oh, okay. Yep. Ready? I'm gonna have you do something right quick. Right click on your chart. Real quick. Right click. Indicators. In that top search box, top left, type in timer. Double click bar timer.
And
then calculate on up top. Calculate on bar close. Click OK.
set up.
Hold on, let me see something real quick. You good. Let me just make sure. Oh, my bad. Right click on the chart. I know you're in profit, so you're good. Indicators. Go down to bar timer. Change that to Tony's tick. Click OK. There you go. Now you got a little window. Sir.
Where's it at? I don't see
Bottom right of your chart.
Oh, it's because
Up a tiny bit. Or unless there's something on top of it that you can't see. It's right under the daily low. Time remaining.
Oh, I see it.
For your bar to close.
Oh, nice. Let's go.
Yeah. Just a little. So now you know specifically when a bar is going to close. So on a 5 minute, you got 3 minutes and 20 something seconds before the bar closes. It's like that.
Okay,
And I only had you do that while you were in profit. So, and I didn't want to affect your trade. Now you're good to go. You chilling.
Let me save my workspace.
Yes, sir. You save. Let me know once you save the workspace.
I did.
Perfect. Yes, sir. Looks like you about to go ahead target, man. Come on, man. Bruh. This is like, I mean, I'm talking, what price you need? You need 15?
15, yes. 5 more.
Mm-hmm. I mean, that's a clean trade.
Target.
Let's go.
That's it, bruh. I mean, I'm talking about golden ratio was a golden ratio, bruh.
Let's go. It's probably gonna dump now.
Man, I'm so happy you're trading the golden ratio, bro. Look at this. Look at nah, they want. Oh my god. Yeah, bro.
It's been a good ass week.
Yeah.
Bro, for some reason I noticed that Wednesdays I always get clapped. Yeah, I don't know why, but Wednesdays, it seems like I tend to get clapped on Wednesdays. But like yesterday, I'm like, okay, it's gonna be a good day. And then I had internet issues. So, it was yesterday wasn't the technicals or whatever, but it was just like reality itself. Like, you know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, bro. I mean, this is. Yeah, I gotta shout you out real quick. Talking about, like, bro, what was the drawdown on the trade? Like, I don't even. Bro, you took like you took maybe 1 point of drawdown.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I've been making sure I executed right on the 61. You know how some people will do like, oh, I'll wait till it goes to consequent encroachment on the fair value gap and shit like that. I'll just do it right at the 61.
That's it, man. I'm talking about zero heat, bro. Like,
yeah. Oh yeah. Well, it's gonna be time that kid joins the group because I know he does his 61.8.
Oh yeah, that'd be fire. Yeah. That was the one trade done.
Yes, sir.
That's it, man.
Yes, sir.
How you feeling?
Bro, it's dope. It's dope. One account I got twice as much of what I should have gotten, so I'm way up on that.
On the one you just traded?
I traded 3 accounts right now,
Oh, okay.
and they was all at 61.
Oh, you copied right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit, they were all copied. Let's go.
Let's go. All the funded.
Mm-hmm. Let's fucking go. Bro, imagine if they melt and go new low.
Bro, I got this account that's been a roller coaster. So
That's how it be, bro. That's how it be. That's very normal, and that, you know what that shows?
mm-hmm.
That shows discipline, bro. That shows, because an account can be roller coasterish, and you might one day just tilt and blow up, and then another time it could you know, you're showing that you can. I mean, bro, are they about to really do this right now? Are they really about to do this right now? That's crazy.
That is crazy.
Another time, like, you can, you know, go on tilt and blow that shit. The fact that you've gone through the ups and the downs on the account, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Are they actually joking right now?
Bro, one of these accounts is the one where I was like, it had like $100 drawdown left, and I was doing like little $50 trades every day, and I managed to bring it back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh. Too bad they went for my trail.
Yeah, this is it, bro. I'm talking about, like,
Yeah, it's like 40 points now from the 61.
That's, bro. This is like, that's, bro.
That is crazy. I'm about to type this dude on the Apex thing.
Yeah. That's how you do it, man. That is a nice ass trade. That's a nice ass trade, bro. That's a nice ass trade. Clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle, man. Yeah, this shit is insanity, bro. Clean as hell. Whoa. What's happening?
There's a little bus right there.
Little bus.
So special.
Yeah, this shit is nice.
Yeah, it's a good drop right there.
Mhm.
So special.
Mm. Yeah, they doing that thing right now. Look at this.
So special.
Hmm. Where you think they going?
I mean, I think we might still play around this range between the 78,
Mm-hmm.
but I mean, I don't see it going above the 78, and if we do, then we're probably flipping bullish. That's what I think for right now. What you thinking, Van?
I think end of the day, looks like we might go. Yeah, I don't know.
So special.
It's looking crazy, bro.
Yeah,
It's looking kind of crazy. What's it want? Let's do a measurement right quick. I can't even. What was it? There. 27, 24. Right here. Oh, that shit would have got stopped. Okay. Well, at least 27, 25. My bad. Hold on. My thought back. Oh, that would have got. What was that? 20. Okay, yeah, that would have got trailed already. All right, cool. Yeah. Where do I think it's gonna go? I mean, it looks like they did their golden ratio thing. I mean, I'm thinking they might go high a day, bro.
high day.
They might go up there. I mean, there's not. You can't really call it. This is insane.
Yeah, like 1 hour we're gonna be making break the high of the day or the lows.
Yeah. So clean.
So first one's so clean.
So fresh and so clean. Clean. Where's my oh, it's right Yeah, I think they're gonna try to recover some of this. What a nasty, vicious drop, bro. Jesus.
I'm gonna send this dude an invite to our live right now. See if he joins.
Hey. So. You talking about the old school dude you met?
No, the dude that trades 61.8.
Oh, okay.
Hey. Morning, fam. Can you hear us?
What up with it?
Hey, let's go.
Oh.
Hold on, put my AirPods in.
Check that again.
Oh, my AirPods in.
After this, finally gonna mess. We need Bryce to be doing best job.
Joe, you can hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hey, 61 did it stay, bro?
Look, man, so me, I trade, I have a few strategies depending on how the day goes.
Right.
But today I traded my reversal strategy, and tell me why, bro. It's man, when I say I'm mad at myself because I sold too early, I got the perfect setup. When I say I got the perfect setup, so I had my 30-minute high mark and my 15-minute high mark, right? And they kind of stacked on top of each other. The 30-minute high today ended up being 24,587, and the 15-minute high ended up being 24,579. I waited till the perfect time. Price pulled back right in my zone, put in the reversal candle. I jumped in. I rolled it up for probably about $100 because I trade M and Q. So I went in with like 2 contracts. I ended up taking like $100. Man, that freaking thing skyrocketed right back over yesterday's low, like where we up, like kind of a price at now. I bought down here at 24,587. Price went all the way up to 24,656, bro.
Yeah, it just bounced from there. I seen that.
I sold though. I sold early. I only took like $100 out that trade. If I would have held it, oh my God. I was so mad at my freaking self, bro.
Bro, I know that feeling. That's the same trade you took, ain't it?
Huh?
Which, yeah, it might have been. But, you can't be mad at yourself because no one really knows what the market's going to do. You know what I'm saying?
Right, that's true.
So,
yeah, that's true.
And I even for me sometimes, like even when I'm like, damn, I coulda, shoulda, it's like, we don't really know because what if the market reversed and you would have been like, damn, I was up. I should have took the $100. Now it's a loss. So you really never know. So
yeah,
that's how it goes. Because I always hear people say that, and you know the you know what I'm saying, the ones that they take their profit and they know how to manage the risk, they're the ones that stick around the longest. So.
But I agree, man. I really needed to hear that, man, because look, I had a great month, bro. Like when I say I had a great month, I only had 2 red days in the past. This whole month, from September to whatever it is now, I had a red day yesterday, and I had one maybe like a week or so ago.
Mm-hmm.
But I've been killing. But yesterday it messed my psyche up. I ain't gonna lie, my psyche was messed up yesterday when I had those, because I overtraded. I went up on my contracts when I took a loss, and the trades kept going against me. And you know how your emotions get whenever you put on 10 contracts, it can move in against you the slightest. And once you
10
go down,
contracts, 10 micros.
yeah, MENQ, yeah.
Oh, okay. Woo.
So
Great.
yeah, no, not 10 NQ, no. Look, man, I ain't did that in so long. I used to do that when I first started futures, because I come from options trading. So I probably been futures trading maybe a year, probably roughly, maybe a little bit over a year, probably a year, 4 or 5 months. Some say a year and a half. So I come from options trading. So when I first took off futures, I didn't know what I was doing. So man, I used to go 10 contracts, 15 contracts, like 5 just regular NQ. Then I kind of toned it down to MENQ, you know. But yeah, yesterday, man, it was just a horrible day for me, man. But the good thing about that, man, I know what I did wrong. So I kind of like, you know, I once you know what you did wrong, then it's easy to fix it.
Yep. Exactly right. And so when you look at the past month for yourself, would you say that you felt like you took profits early on a couple days?
Yeah. I say that I took profit early on a couple days.
There you go. And the thing is, you're still green on a month. I'm telling you right now, taking profit is a skill that a lot of people don't even realize. Like that's the skill. Like your entry, the entry itself is a skill, but taking profit is also a skill. I know so many traders in general that they'll be in a trade, be up huge, and then it's a loss.
Right.
Greedy. So
yeah, taking
profit is a skill that people need to learn. So just know that.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying? And I haven't been in the game that long. Hold on, my AirPod just died. Damn. I'm talking. I can't hear y'all right now. Let me make sure I just speak. Y'all can hear me?
Yeah, we can
Yeah, I
hear
can
you.
hear you.
All right, I can hear y'all now. Yeah, I haven't been in this game that long, but what I can tell you is the folks that aren't in this game, that the folks that are not in the game anymore, they didn't know how to take profit for number one, and then they didn't know how to keep profit. Number two, everybody can put on a winning trade. Putting on a winning trade isn't difficult. That's easy. A monkey.
Yeah, that's easy. That don't even have the battle.
Yeah.
The other battle is taking from your money when it's there.
Exactly. Like my little puppy can put on a winning trade. Anybody can do that. The real situation is how long can you be in this game for? This is a game of survival. So you know what I'm saying?
So I'm gonna ask both of you guys, on average a day, how many trades do you guys take per day? Or is not a set thing? How many, like you don't have it in your mind coming into the market, you just take whatever the market give you that day? So I know a lot of people be like, I only take 5 trades a day. I'm like, how do you know that? What if your setup hit, 15 times that day? You know, so you come into the market just saying, because me, I'm a firm believer, if my setup hit, I'm taking a trade, shoot. You know what I'm saying? You can't score no fucking basket if you playing basketball and you never shoot the ball. And your teammates gonna be screaming at you, motherfucker, shoot the ball, like I'm shooting it, like you wide open, shoot it. So I hear a lot of people coming to the market and say, man, I only take, now I do know time frame. See me, I try to trade from 8:30 to 11. After 11, I shut it down. Now I do have to see time frame. But if my shots is shooting, like if I'm getting the wide open shots from 8:30 to 11, I don't give a damn how many trades I take, because I'm aiming. First of all, it's a proven strategy that I back tested, that known to work. I done took multiple payouts. So once my strategy hits, once everything aligns, once I got the context down back, once I got the candlesticks that I'm looking for, once I got my levels in hit, and in particular, off the level I'm looking for my entry, once I got everything aligned, I take my shot. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So do you guys have a set, like, man, I'm only gonna come to the market, I'm gonna take 5 trades a day?
Well, I can say for me, I don't have a specific number of trades. I trade a lot of accounts, so for me, it's like if I get, I know my mental capital, right? If I get mentally exhausted, if I'm mentally exhausted, I already know what time it is with myself. So
That's
for
how I
me,
was yesterday.
yeah, and for me, it don't make sense to keep on going if I'm mentally drained and I'm already up a good amount, or if I'm down a good amount. Like I'll be good, and you know, it's always nice when I get a clean day where I'll take a couple trades, and then yeah, and I agree with you. The number of trades don't really matter because, like, people use the word over trading incorrectly. I think like if my setup is there, right, and if
Right.
my setup is there 50 times, and I'm
And I
still
hit fit exactly.
and
I
my
agree
mental
with you.
capital is straight, I'm taking 50 trades because
Me too,
my
bro.
setup is there 50 times. So, you know, that's how I feel. Especially again, if my mental capital is intact. If I'm good, if I'm winner, I'm taking a loss, and it's a winner, and my setup is there 50 times, I'm doing it. Now, if my setup is there once and it's there, I'm taking it, and no more setup. All right, I'm done.
Yeah, that's how I feel, bro. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, it's not. I'm done. And like I said, I don't like trading past 11. 8:30 to 11, I call it my cap off. I don't like trading past 11. And once that's hit, you know what I'm saying? That's just kind of me, you know. Not saying that I don't, because some days I come back for power hour, but you know, I come back 1:30, check it. I might take another trade or two, but power hour, I don't trade like how I trade from 8:30 to 11. You know, I don't really, you know. And to me, power hour ain't the same like it used to be. I mean, when I first started trading, it was a real thing, bro. And now it's just like it's just not the same. Like I remember back when I was trading options, power hour, the actual stock market used to move. Now doing power hour, it be crawling. I don't know because I come from options to futures, but it's not a big thing in futures trading to me. Like I come look at the market around about 145, try to trade into power hour, and it'll just be crawling by that time, you know.
Well, I'll say it during power hour. It all depends because we, you know, different market environments. Like I would say the last hour. It used to be like sometimes it could be the last hour. Sometimes it could be the last 2 hours. Sometimes it can be the last 10 minutes. You might get 100-point pump in the last 10 minutes of the market.
That's true. That's
you know
true.
what I'm saying? So it all depends. It varies, especially with different market conditions, geopolitical situations, different type of presidential offices. There's so many different things when, you know, what the Fed is thinking. Are they hawkish? Are they dovish?
It's a dovish, yeah.
Like, are we earning season? Is it like, you know what I'm saying? Like, is election like it's so many different things.
And what I did notice though, during power hour 2:00 for options trading, because that's when at 3:00 is when the market shut down. For its day, and now on futures, I know it don't shut down till 4, so I do see movement around 3:00 or 3:30. But at 2:00 when I come check it.
Wait, what time zone are we talking about?
So check. So see, I live in Louisiana, so we Eastern time. So right now it's 10:30 in the morning.
You said you're Eastern?
Yeah.
Nah, there's no way you're Eastern. Cause I'm Eastern. It's 11:30.
You might be Central like me, fam. I'm 10:30. I stay in Kansas, Midwest.
Yeah, you Central.
Yeah. See, I'm Eastern time. Like, so, let's say you.
No, that's what I'm saying. You're not Eastern. Because I'm Eastern time, and my time is 11:30. You said it's 10:30.
So we take an hour back. Yeah. So
yeah, so you're Central.
So yeah, we Central 10:30. Yeah, it's 10:30.
Yeah. Okay.
So when I was trading options, power hour used to be at 2 p.m. for me. Put it like that.
Okay. Got it.
Because SPY, QQQ, all that close at 3. You know, but futures trading keeps going until 4. So I've noticed that futures don't move much at 2, but it do start moving around 3, the last hour of the market.
Yeah. So what I would say is, I would say that the last hour of the futures market, there really isn't too much movement. Like the market really dies off at the New York stock close too. Like so when the options close, when the stock market close, the futures market still open an hour after that, but there isn't too much movement. Like the what you'll see, yeah, you ain't gonna really see that much movement unless there's like unless there's like some earnings or there's some Fed president or governor or Powell says something or like yeah. So I would say trading futures after 4 p.m. Eastern time is probably not a good idea. That last hour from 4 to 5, I personally wouldn't do it because the liquidity dries up, and then you don't want to be stuck in any positions. Trust me. Like when I traded one time, I was trading my live account back in the day when the futures market used to close from 4:15 to 4:30 for 15 minutes. I don't know if you remember that, or I don't know, Serge, if you do or not, but I mean, this is years back. They stopped doing this, but between 4:15 and 4:30, the market used to close, and I had a position on, and it opened up 15 minutes later and gapped down like 30 points, and I lost like $3,000 in like 10 seconds. So yeah, that was a while ago. That's around that's when I first started. So that's why, Serge, when you were saying you open a live account and stuff,
Yeah.
that's why I would never tell anyone what to do. But what I would say is these prop firms is a blessing.
They are.
You know what I'm saying? If you pass the eval, you pay for your PA, and you hold your PA or your funded accounts for a very long time, that's your all-in cost. You have no more costs. That's it.
What you spend on the account.
Yeah, what you spend on account, that's it. And now you can just keep getting payouts and milking. You know, so that's why, you know, there are people that churn and burn accounts, but their expenses are high. But I mean, they still net out profitable. But for me, I don't like doing that. I don't like churning and burning. I like to hold. Like I got some Apex PAs. I got some Apex PAs I've had since February.
Oh yeah, you had them a while. What firm do you you just trade with Apex mostly?
I'm maxed out with Apex. I'm with Take Profit Trader.
That's what I trade with mostly. I got Take Profit, Tick Trader, and I think I just got Apex and Tick Trader right now. Look, I just missed the same damn trade. Oh, I just did the same thing. We came down, made a double bottle on VWAP, put in a reversal counter, and look, we just shot back up. But while I was on the phone with y'all, I put the trade on, but I just took profit early again.
Hey, man, this in this market, bro. The way I tell them, hey, see profit, take profit.
Take profit, yeah.
Take that money.
I tell people the name of the company I trade for called Take Profit Trader. So shoot, I'm taking profit. Sergio, you don't trade for the prop firm?
I trade through a prop firm. I wanted to open a live account, which I tried, but man, there's so much shit that goes into it. But yeah,
I tried too. I put 10K one time into Trade-Evate.
Yeah.
And I traded it a little bit, but this back when I didn't know what I was doing. Now, if I knew what I knew now, I could have grew the account. So I ended up losing probably like $1,000, and I was like, hell, now I gotta get my money back. And it took so long for them to get my damn money out that account. Like, bro, I said, before I go with another broker like that, I'm gonna make sure I'm well off, and I'm gonna start with a 25K live account. But that's way in the future because there's no point in me doing it right now. Like, there's no point. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, their customer service kind of sucks, bro. It took forever to reach back at me. I had to send like multiple tickets and shit.
To who?
To Trade-Evate.
Oh, Trade-Evate. Oh yeah, they terrible out here, bro. I was like, I think I might go with Ninja Trader next.
Ninja Trader is the way.
Y'all ever tried Ninja Trader for live? I mean, for personal account. Oh, okay.
Right now, for prop firms, I'm through BuildNox, and I got a Tradeify. And hopefully, once I get more BuildNox funded, then I'm gonna go to Apex. I'm gonna try to grow some Apex accounts.
Yeah. Apex kind of rubbed me wrong. Not saying they're a bad company, but they rubbed me wrong one time, and I just stopped trading for them, and I can show y'all screenshots. I took multiple payouts from Apex. And I'm telling you, this is what happened. I closed. Listen, I know y'all gonna be like, nah, you didn't close that trade. I closed the trade one day, right? I was trading on my phone. I closed the trade out. I went to sleep, and I woke up, checked my account. I'm up $3,200. And you know they had that damn rule where you can't make so much one day, and all your previous days is you
The
only
consistency
making.
rule.
So I'm big. I'm like, hey, bro, can y'all go check? I did not put this trade on. I was asleep. I'm sending them countless emails. They didn't want to really give me my payout because they said that because I made that 3,200 in one day. I'm like, bro, the system because I seen a lot of more people complaining about the same thing, that they'll check their computer, they'll be down or working for Apex. And I was like, bro, I did not put this trade. So I pleaded my case up for the time. They still denied my payout. Man, I was fucking pissed. I was like, bro, I never buy another fucking account from them again. At this time, I was just emotional, you know what I'm saying? I still end up buying a few more accounts after that, but I just the relationship, it just never healed to me. I was like, bro, they should have fucking heard me out, bro.
Yeah, well, I mean, obviously, I don't know, I didn't see, because, so for me, I think, I had an issue one time where I'm like, I didn't know what happened, and I ended up, I showed Serge, I was like, oh shit, I buttoned off my replicanto, and there was a limit order that wasn't deleted because my leader account deleted an order, but I had turned off replicanto. So the order never deleted on my other accounts. So
right.
I was basically, it was my fault. Not saying that that's your situation, so I can't really comment on it because I would have to look at the logs and all that type of stuff.
Right. Because I told them they wouldn't look at my logs and everything, and they sent me a whole bunch of emails back, and I'm explaining to myself, I'm like, look, bro, I did not put this trade on. I was like, I'm sleeping. Like I'm asleep. Like I had gave it up for the day. I said, man, I made some money. I'm going to sleep. I had gave it up for the day. The only logical thing I could think would happen that maybe earlier in the morning, I probably set aside a buy limit.
That's
at the
probably,
bottom,
that's what I was going to say. You probably had a limit order sitting.
Yeah, limit order sat one time and just forgot that I had started. And when it hit, the fucking market had shot up. And when I come back, woke up like at 2 o'clock, I checked my just to go look at the market, and I'm up $3,200. I say, oh shit. So in my head, I'm like, do I let this sell back down or risk of making more money? I don't know if this gonna go back up again. And if it keep going up, now 5,000, 6,000. So I was like, let me just close this trade. I said, I know they're gonna be treated by the consistency rule. I said, let me get ahead of this and send them an email before I request my payout. And then it was like the next day I was eligible to request my payout too. And I was like, this had to happen like right before, you know.
So yeah, like, it sounded like it sounded like to me, but again, I don't. It's I can't see the logs, all this stuff. It sounded like you had a limit order sitting, and so, but for me, like, I've had many payouts denied, but what I can say is I know why they got denied. So
right.
So that's why I personally cannot knock Apex because they pay out. I know a lot of people, they complain and stuff. Oh, there's all these rules and whatnot. So it's funny.
And
because me and Serge was talking about this yesterday.
And that's what I said earlier. It's not, I was saying earlier, it's not no. It's because even I end up buying accounts from them. Like I said, it wasn't. I never had a bad experience. Like just horrible. I never had payout denied from Apex before that one right there, and I know why they denied it. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I don't know. I know because I made $3,200 in one day, and all the rest of the days I'm making something lower. So they feel like it was like a what they call it? They call it is it whipsawing or something like that?
Windfall.
They call it windfall.
Yeah, windfall, and I thought it said whip, but yeah. And I was like, bro, I'm not trying to get over on y'all doing it on purpose. I really was asleep, and it's hard for. I know a company have to protect themselves. They can. It's not up to them to find out if I really tried to put a trade on if I sleep. Look, it happened. I got to stick to my guidelines and rules and things of that nature.
But look, either way though, even if you made $3,200 in one day, so you went and requested the payout even though you knew you were over a consistency rule. What I would have done at that point.
At that time, I didn't know that. I know that now.
Okay, because I know people that
trading,
have,
but at the time
they went over. you just keep trading until that consistency goes down, or the
Yeah,
consistency goes down.
yeah. At the time, I didn't know that because remember, I just told I really only been to futures. Like I said, I come from trading options. I only been to future trading maybe a year or so. So at the time, I didn't know that to keep trading, get it down, keep trading. You know, like I said, I know now. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
God damn it, this fucking market, man. This motherfucker taking off.
There it is.
It is, motherfucker. And the sad thing about that is, when I be up on the day, I don't even try to like. But once I'm up like this, especially coming off a day from like yesterday, I just kind of watch it. I don't even take the trade, even though the trades that I take be there. I just kind of like, you know, like I said, especially coming off a day I had yesterday. Ooh man, yesterday y'all don't know, bro. I was mentally screwed yesterday.
Oh yeah,
And-
it was a rough day for me too. My to
Order
begin with, my
filled.
platform was acting up right at market open, and that caused me to lose money, and then I think that can like trigger me not to think straight and just do silly things throughout the session.
Yeah, yep, that's true. Yep. See, for me, I just got over the mentality of winning and losing my first trade. Like I remember when I used to come into the market and I win my first trade, I'll win the entire day. If I lose my first trade, then I lose. But I had to get over that mental block that I had. Like I remember I had that block for a long time. It's like something like it was in me that say, hey, once I see green on the first trade, I see green on the rest of them. Once I see red on the first trade, it messes me up and I see red for the rest of the day. So I just really had to get over that, you know what I'm saying? Because now I can come into the market and lose my first trade and still bounce back. But I
Right.
can do that. I can do that at first though.
Yeah, it's so many layers. Well, to be honest, with me, you know, I've been in the market for a good while, but I didn't lock in like I should for a while. And when I say that, it's like, bro, I just kept doing like silly things, you know? And maybe like 2 years, I was like, man, I need to start respecting these rules, and just slowly things been coming together, you know what I mean? So
Yeah.
like one block that I got right now, there's this account that's close to this payout. And then I would say I go like in a formal tilt, you know what I mean? When I'm like the hairway, I'll go like in this like little mental tilt.
Bro, I noticed a lot of people had that issue when they get close to payout. It just, you know, it seems like the market monster come in and say, oh, no. like the shit just start going against you. And you just, but really in reality, it just be us trying to get that payout so bad that we can't control it. You know, we just gotta learn to control it.
Yeah, you sabotage yourself. Oh man, I was so close. No, I did this, and no, I did that.
Let me ask you guys a question. How many people in y'all area that you know trade like close in proximity?
Well, I stay in Kansas, so the closest people that trade around me, they're like 2 hours from me, like 2 or 3 hours.
Oh, okay. Man, I'm from a small town in Louisiana, bro. And when I say small town, we probably got about 4,500 people here, maybe 5,000. And when I say nobody, the reason why I asked, because everything that I've learned was self-taught. I didn't have nobody, because like I said, don't nobody trade here. In Louisiana, we have such a poor mentality, poor mindset. Like, you know what I'm saying? The financial literacy here is so low that I had to be on Zoom calls like this, like I am with you guys, people teaching me that live in California, New York, or Atlanta. I've bought so many courses, so many classes to learn how to trade, because there's nobody here that trade. Like, I'm really like a
Target filled.
I'm really like a man,
Like my fault, sorry.
No, you good. Now, like, I'm really like a man, like I'm saying, like a golden nugget. Like, people, like, now people see me trading, they want to learn, they want to see. Like, I'm like, damn, that's crazy that y'all actually have somebody hands on here. And I had to learn this shit through like trial and error. Like, I mean, trial and I'm talking about losing money, hand over fist.
I can relate. I was my ass in the market, bro, like big time.
Yeah, bro. Y'all don't. I don't think the type of loss I took back in the day, I don't think anyone can ever come back from it. So, you know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? Just know that I took almost close to a 6-figure loss.
Ooh, I ain't there yet. Ooh,
Almost
yeah.
close to that, bro.
Damn,
So,
boy.
yeah. So then for me, at the end of the day, how I got back to where I am now, like, you know, it was, hey, Serge, I told you we gonna go. You know what? Let me stop. I hate that shit, bro. I hate when people say, you know what I hate, bro. You know what the. I'm gonna finish my my first story, but let me say this. I absolutely hate when people always try to call out shit and say, "Look, I told you it was gonna go there." No, you didn't.
How the hell you know that?
That's the one. That's the one thing That's one
Now
of my
what you
pet
can
peeves.
now what you can say, hey man, I was gonna say I kinda, but like, bro, I had a niche that it would go there. I'm not saying that I knew, but
Yeah.
hey man, I just had a you know, a strong mind that it would go there.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, you know, a clock that's incorrect
It's right,
is right 2 times a day.
2 times a day, right?
So it's like that's my one pet peeve that annoys the shit out of me when I hear people say, "Yo, look, blah blah. I told you it was gonna go here. I told you." Nah, bro. We have inclinations that could be right or wrong, and so at the end of the day, like, we don't know. Because a hedge fund manager can come in and dump 100 NQ contracts right now.
Right now, yeah.
And say fuck all that shit. And if everyone knew what was going to go on in the market, then the stat about 95% of traders fail, that wouldn't be true. So
That's true.
you know what I'm saying? That's like that.
Give me give me a breakdown on your daily coming into the market, like what you're looking for, what do you do? Like, give me your morning, like my morning routine is I get up about 7:30. I just get up a little bit early next. I put my kids on the bus. This is the day when I'm not working because I work a regular 9-to-5 job too. So I was off today and yesterday. So I get up, I talk to myself. I probably go in the mirror. I probably literally walk a block, like around my neighborhood. This is every day that I'm trading. I get my mind right, you know what I'm saying? Like, I talk to myself like, hey, bro, we're not going to do nothing stupid. We're going to wait for our setup. We're going to be paid, blah, 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 blah. Like, first thing I do, I go check news to see do we have any news coming out today. So I don't want to because I remember I didn't just check news and get caught up in a trade. And sometimes it worked out for me. Sometimes it didn't. Sometimes I'll be on the right side of it and sometimes I won't. So now I check news every morning. And around by 8 o'clock, I'm watching and I start setting my levels. Previous day high, previous day low, overnight high, overnight low. And I started building my context depending on where we at. And like I have a 21 EMA on my screen and VWAP. Them the only 2 indicators I use. I don't use nothing. I don't like. I mean, that's my personal preference. Man, I've been seeing people have the 9, the 21, the 20, the 50. I'm like, God damn, how you had all this? And then that's just, to me, that'll just fry my brain. And so I come in and that's kind of like how I set my day up. I come in, man, I mark my previous day high, my previous day low, and then I mark my overnight high, overnight low, and then I mark my first. I don't like taking a trade within the first 15 minutes, so I mark my 15-minute high, 15-minute low, and then I start looking for my particular setup off those levels that I just marked. Like, you know, like I said, I like to trade reversal patterns a lot. And like I said, if you can look at and I take a lot of trades on the 1 minute, but I don't base all of my trades off the 1 minute. Like, if the 1 hour is pointing up, right? Like, if you go to the 1 hour, we got a green candle on the 1 hour. The 1 hour is pointing up. Then I go to the 30-minute. If it's pointing up green, 15, and if everything pointing up green, then I'll do my I'll try to start plotting and planning my entry from there. Once I see the higher time frames pointing in the direction that I'm trying to go, I always want the higher time frame to be pointing in the direction that I'm. Now, do I go against the grain some days? Maybe I don't like going against the trend, but do I do it some days? Yeah, do it work out for me? Kinda. Most days it do work out for me. But that's kind of how I come into the market every single day, and I just wait on my levels to hit and get my patterns at my levels.
That's what's up.
Right. Hey, that's cold.
Yeah. I'll tell you. I mean, for me, my trading day always starts the night before. So, I prep because I'm basically. I guess at this point I would consider myself a quant, right? That's what I do. So I'm very all my decision making in the market is heavily data driven. So for me, there sometimes some dumb shit can happen, but most of my entries, there's a reason behind every single entry, and it's for the most part automated, with some type of discretion here and there. So for me, I'm every night I mark off my levels. I look at the ADR. I look at the 20-day ADR. I look at the 3, the 5, the 10, and the 20 ADR just to see like how the range of the market's looking. And then I look at all the news. I prepare myself, make sure I know what news is coming out, what time, the type of impact, right? And then I look at all those levels you mentioned, previous days high, previous days low. We have tools for those. So for me, I don't really have to. I know the levels, but they're always shown on the chart when I'm trading. Just the same way as you can see on Surge's screen now. Previous days high and previous days low is on the chart, as well as I'm always keeping track of the previous day's close. I'm always keeping track of where we opened, and then I look at some Fibonacci levels, mostly the 61.8 and 38.2, because those levels seem to always, let me not say always, more often than not, there's a situation that happens there. Right?
So what time frame do you run your fib on?
So my fibs are all day. So I don't have my Fibonacci extension tool is for the day. It's a daily fib. So I'm taking from the high of the day and the low of the day. And you can see, like, I know some people they use measure moves. They'll say, okay, they'll draw a fib from the London high and the London low, or the Asian high, Asian low, New York high. I take the fib from the day. That is the true Fibonacci level. So
it's automatically marked right after market open like after New York close and onto Australian, it automatically gets marked.
Yep, and it continues to the Fibonacci tool that we use. It continues to update as the market expands its range. The Fibonacci is also expand its range, and then in terms of what I'm looking for, go to say, bro.
I was gonna say, and if it makes a new high or new low to the opposite side, it'll flip.
Yep, exactly.
So you don't have to do that. You don't have to adjust it on your own. It adjusts itself like that.
It does it itself.
What? It's an indicator.
Yep. Yes, sir.
I'll send you an invite to the Discord.
Okay. All right.
We got some tools on the Discord.
Yep. And so basically,
like I use
that's what I do.
Like I said, I use Fib every once in a while. No lie, I do use it. It's not my go-to, but I do use it to like right now. It'll be a perfect time to use it. Like right now, I just marked the previous swing high to the previous swing low.
Yep.
And just wait till it bounce back to the 60. Like I'm doing it now. Boom.
Yeah, so you can do the fib with the we have a Ninja Trader. I've done a modification on their default Fibonacci's so that I can do that too.
Hey,
So,
bro, I want y'all to do something real quick. Y'all gonna fall out laughing. Go to the 1 minute, right? Pull up y'all field and draw it from the previous swing high to the swing low, and look at how many levels. Oh my God, this would have been perfect trade. I mean, the confirmation is there. You have the 30 minute. Yeah, you have the. If you go to the 1 minute and put from previous swing high to swing low, and you see it matches up with VWAP, it matches up with the 30-minute high, and almost to the 15-minute high. So you have like 4 or 5 confluences right there at one time.
and then also another thing I'll mention too is, and I know Serge probably got something to say too, but for me, I know a lot of folks they always refer to different time frames, because at the end of the day, there's multiple ways to skin this trading cat. Like
Yeah,
you can,
yeah.
you know what I'm
Everybody
saying?
have different. Yeah.
But for me, I take some trades on time frames, but for the most part, I'm strictly I'm a pure price action trader. So in the way
okay,
I
get
can
what
get
you're saying.
pure price action is by using something called a reversal bar, or I use Renkos. So I don't know if you've ever heard of Renkos, but basically
Nah.
Renkos, it time does not matter. It's all about price.
So to be honest, me and you kind of similar. And when I say that, I I I, I watch price too, but I just watch price like because you use the word reversals, and that's what I like to trade reversals. I watch the candlesticks more than I watch everything else too. Honestly, me and how the price move with the candlestick. Like I know you said you watch price, I watch the candlestick formation too with the price. So I know if I've been sitting down all day and I come in, I put in a doji candle or a hammer candle, like basically going back up to the upside, and volume come in with it, and the next candle open up green. I know we want to reverse. I know the price actually want to reverse and go back the other way. So that's kind of how I look at it. Like if it's the same, if I was selling all the way up to the top, and I put in a red hammer candle, a red reversal candle, and the previous candle after that opens up red, then I know that we kind of want to reverse and retract and come back down to the downside a little bit.
Yeah, makes sense.
Cause if you like I said, if you guys looking at the 1 minute, you'll see that 2 times we made a double bottom at VWAP, and we put in, bro, I'm looking at my screen, we put in the exact same pattern both times. We sold down, we put in a hammer candle or a doji candle, depending on how y'all look at it. We shot up to the top. We sold down again, and we just did the same thing that created this big move right here that we got to the upside. The same exact pattern, the same exact move, the same exact price action. I mean, these are the exact same thing. I'm let me see. I'm gonna try to take a picture of this.
But yeah, those reversal bars, they really tell the story of the market, like the way I see it, because that pretty much shows exactly where the price is when I'm looking at the chart. Like, oh, so Serge got something on there. This is called Renko. This is Ninja Renko. I don't know if you can see on the screen, but you can see exactly where price reversed and never looked back. Like if you wanted to be a person that took 2 trades today, you could have taken 1 trade overnight, and then you could have taken 1 trade at the open, or a little bit after the open, and just held long.
Right. I can hear you.
The glory. So, but that's it's nice that way. So,
Or you just goes that direction.
Or you can make the bricks even smaller, and then you can just scalp.
So special.
Scout.
Mm-hmm. Like to give me that.
Yeah, that's the actual indicator too.
This is the candles.
Yeah, that's a bar type.
Oh, it's just bar type. Okay.
Yeah, I'm saying like
Okay.
it's a type of bar. So like you can have 1 minute candles, you can have Hakandashi, you can have, you know, whatever type you can have. You can be on a 5 minute, you can be on a 20 minute, or you can be on Nenzarenko. It's a type of bar.
Right. Yeah, I understand. I understand. I get what you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you trade.
That's one of the styles. Yeah. So I trade. I use automation. So I basically, as I was saying, like I have more quantitative analysis when it comes to trading, because for me the market just shows so many repeatable patterns. Like the it's just the
Yep,
patterns,
that's
like
it. That's all it does, and that's what I look
yeah,
for.
and it's like the market doesn't look the same every day, but it often rhymes. Like there's the last 2 days of last week, the market made the same move off golden ratio. The same move, the same exact move. They pushed up overnight and into New York. They made a range. They pushed up a certain amount. They did a 61.8% retracement, followed up with a new high. They did it Thursday and they did it Friday. But in terms of how much of the trade you're going to take, like how much profit you want to take off that trade, that is determined by, you know, your psychology and how you want to trade it. But then today, the market made a new low. They came up, golden ratio, rejection. You could have got 50 points out of it. 50 points were available 2 times. So again, that depends on like how you want to trade it. Every trader will determine what they want to do. There's not a specific way to do it, but that's, you know, that's all quantitative stuff. My mentor showed me that, and then so when I remember when I
Order
first
submitted.
started with him, he would mention the golden ratio, mention the golden ratio, mention the golden ratio, but I didn't really see it because I'm learning the style.
Yeah.
But over the course of many years, I always like, wait, golden ratio. Oh shit, they're reacting. Then it just continued reacting at a certain level, to a point where like now I can't unsee it. So, and that's just from being in the market. So, and I'm sure your way is the same way. You can't unsee what you see. Serge can't unsee what he sees. You know what I'm saying? So that's the thing about the market. We can all see different things at different times. I can be in a short, you can be in a long. You can win and I can win. I can lose and you can lose. You know, and vice versa. That's the nice thing about this market. No one way is right. My way isn't right. No one's way is right. It's just it's what the market's gonna do. How you protecting the risk.
So special.
How will you protect?
Let me see. I'm trying to send. How can I send? I'm trying to send a photo in the chat. How do I send a photo in the chat? I'm trying to show you guys something.
Here on Discord.
I couldn't hear you. Hold on.
I mean, here on Zoom.
Yeah, I was trying to send a picture, like an actual photo of something.
We got a little group chat. Let me add you to it if you want to add it.
Yeah, just add me. I'm gonna add it to it.
So special.
Do Do any of you guys work like regular jobs, or y'all just trade for a living?
I work regular jobs. Man, I've been on the grind for 5 years now, bro, and just now I say things are starting to fall together, and just I still got a way to go. You feel me?
Right. You think trading is something you want to leave your job for and take up full time?
That's the goal. When I want to draw enough data, like I made this much this month, and I made this much this month. Eventually I want to get a bunch of accounts, like have like 50 accounts, 60 accounts. That's the end goal. And once I have like a solid, I can, because I got 3 jobs right now, but from till then I'll be able to ease up on some of those jobs. But till then I'm gonna continue on grinding.
Mm-hmm.
And I made it to work where I can. So it took me a while, but I finally found the jobs that I can work till that way I can trade at New York Open.
What you working at? What you do for a living?
I work at a call center, then I work at a gas station and a restaurant.
So special.
Okay. See, right now, man, I tell people I have 2 jobs. I really don't. I work for Coca-Cola, right? So
Right.
I work for Coca-Cola here in Louisiana, but they also pay me on top of my regular check. They also pay me a mileage check. So I make a mileage check every month, like $1,500 just. And look, I don't even drive that much. Like, I'm not even wasting $1,500 a month in gas. Like, I work right here in my hometown, but they pay me to drive. So some days I might have to drive 30 miles out or 25 miles out. So they'll pay me to drive out, and they'll just pay me an extra additional check every month, $1,500, $2,000. So I tell people that's my second job, driving. I really just be joking with them. But like I said, I work for Coca-Cola, and I actually trade and make a little money here on the side. But shoot, like, as of lately, my trading been kind of superseding my job, because I've been making more money trading than me actually working, because I be trading on the clock. And look, I even put my supervisor in on it. Like, I told him, I like, look, bro, some days, man, look, my work don't get done at work. Some days it ain't. I got to trade first, and then I come in and do my work. And he was like, hey, bro.
Hey
it's
man,
all
that's
good.
the priority. That's a fact.
I told him that, and I showed him how much money I was making, bro, and he was like, bro, he was like, man, I can't blame you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I showed him like 20K worth of payouts in like the last 3 to 4 months, and like I was just showing him all my emails, like $2,000, $4,000, $2,500. They were from Apex. This back when I was trading with Apex, Take Profit and Tick Trader. Like, I was just showing him all different payouts and stuff, and he was just amazed, man. He was like, bruh. And I was like, yeah, now this is my supervisor. I'm letting them know. I was like, bro, so sometimes I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I'm gonna be sitting in my car. If you pull up, I'm gonna go sit in my car at 8:30. I'm gonna do all the work I can to 8:30 or 8:15. I'm gonna sit at my computer. I said from 8:15 to about 9:30, 10, I'm gonna trade, and I jump back in there and finish my job.
Yeah, that's focus time. Yup. Hey, it sounds like you're so close, man. Like any of these days, it's gonna be like, hey, I'm ready. Feel me?
Yeah, I told him that. I was like, hey, bro, just be ready. I told my supervisor, I said, man, I probably can give you another year, max, year 2, max. I said, year, at the minimum 2 years, that's the maximum that I can give you. I said, but bro, you stepping in the way of more of my money, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was like, bro, I said, man, I'm gonna have to get up out of here, bro. Like, have you guys ever traded a straight to funded account?
I'm doing one right now.
Who do you trade? Who you trading it for?
Tradify.
Tradify. I want to try Tradify. Like I said, the only straight to funded account people I tried was Tick Trader, and they pay out. Their rules are not strict or nothing. At the end of the day, drawdown. It was like kind of my speed. It was kind of my speed how I traded at first, because I was like a swing big type trader. You know, so I bought like that 150K account. I think the drawdown was like 6,500. So it kind of helped me, and I took a few payouts from them, and I still got the account, but I stopped trading, man. I don't know why. I traded probably once a week. I think I stopped trading. You know how you fall in love with the daily payouts from Take Profit? I was like, why would I now this in my head now, because I do copy trade, but I don't like copy trading across all different platforms. So If I copy trade, I want to copy trade. All take profits together, all apex together. Now, one day, eventually, I'm going to link them all together, true enough. But they're just kind of like a personal preference to me. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to blow, if I blow some account, I don't want to blow down 30 accounts, even though I ain't got that many. So I trade them, I trade apex. I link all apex together on trading them. I trade all, take profits together, and all whoever. I ain't going to link right now. I'm not link all of them together.
And the problem is that you need a lot of computer power to just to copy them.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, like, bro, my computer can hardly handle this the trading right now. So that's my goal to get a couple payouts and get me a decent computer. Because I mean, I'll give it to my computer. It's you know it's handling it, but I know I need a new computer for sure.
What do you have?
Just some HP that I got from Walmart a few years back. I don't have nothing like crazy. You know what I mean?
You have do you have laptops?
I got a laptop, but my laptop, bro, I don't even want to touch it. It sucks.
Yeah, see, so I do have a computer here at my home. Nice, decent sized monitor too. I like it. I enjoy it, but it's in the open. Like when I say it's in the open, my big computer's in the kitchen. Like, so people can just get up in my house, walk through while I'm trading. I don't like people around me while I'm trading too much.
Right. Because you're focusing in any little sound, any little thing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I don't need nobody just getting up, walking through me while I'm trading. Like I stream with my son. So if I I trade on my laptop mostly because I can kind of go hide in my room and lock my door. But opposed to my computer being outside up in the kitchen, that I have to trade it, and people can just get up, walk in, out my house, walk in. You know, my old lady, my girlfriend might get up and try to, you know, and I don't like just the sound, the noise, people being around while I'm trading. But
right.
I do have a man cave on back of my house. It's not ready yet. I'm trying to use my stock market money to fix it and get it up to running how I want to. Like I said, I think I'm probably another 6 months to a year out on that too. But once I get that up and running and how I want it, then I'll be trading back there. I'll be good, you know.
That is game over for real. I know Lou got a monster right now. Like his computer, like, bro, he got like the best out of the best.
Yeah. Because I think my computer in the front room is an HP too.
Yeah, my computer, I got like some simple. But I mean, I don't know what platform you use. I use NinjaTrader, and
that's what you trade out. I trade on I use Ninja, so I'm set up through NinjaTrader, but I actually place my trades on TradingView.
Oh, that's okay. Gotcha.
So I'm set up through NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader handles everything for me, but NinjaTrader allow you to trade with TradingView too, basically.
Yeah.
But when I'm trading on TradingView, all my transactions still go and execution still go through NinjaTrader also though.
Gotcha. So you're using TradingView for your technicals.
Exactly. I'm using TradingView just for my technicals. I like the way their technicals are.
Order filled.
Yeah. Well, see, here lately I upgraded my Ninja, so I do get a lot of the tools that you see in on TradingView, like this right here. Got my fibs, got the shades, got everything. That was one of my issues, but now I basically got everything. And I was paying for that TradingView so you can get more indicators, but now I got all the indicators here on Ninja, and they're free. You know what I mean?
You like trading with that white screen? My screen be dark. Like I see better on that dark screen.
Yeah, I can't see.
He said I can't see.
Yeah. What was I gonna say? The one thing I do love about NinjaTrader is the ATMs, bro. Ooh, those ATMs changed my life, I swear.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try trading on there, and you might have to teach me because I never tried. Like I said, I just use it to, I just got the broker, but I never actually tried to place a trade on there.
Look, I got all my strategies right here, right?
Right.
And then, for example, I'll click on this one that I got right now, and see, I got 3 with a solid target, and I got a runner. The runner is trailing me by, so when I get to 20 points, the runner breaks even, and then once after 21 points, it starts trailing from the break even. So
Man, that's nice. That's a nice fit trading. You ain't got all that.
Yeah, and it once I can hit my solid target, and let's say it range for a little bit, but that runner still going. It has to come down back 20 points, and at that I'm already breaking even. And if it made a new high, I'm already in profit for that, for that runner.
Do they have an automatic take profit stop loss button?
Yeah, they got everything. And
See, trading. I ain't gonna say TradingView don't. TradingView do, but the brokers that you trade for, you know, like let's say like, I'm gonna trade for take profit. Now, if I'm trading my paper trading account, TradingView actually have a stop loss and a simultaneously stop loss and take profit button. I mean, like as soon as you click it. But I don't know if the prop firms don't allow you to have it. Like when I'm in my prop firms trying to trade my prop firms, it don't give you that option. If you like actually trying to enter a trade quickly, put it like that. Now, if you set it up, you know, cool. But I'm trying to for something quickly.
Yeah, you can with NinjaTrader you can say hotkeys. So for your hotkeys, you can do control whatever letter, and when you put that, it automatically like you can set it to open a long or close it, like control whatever, like control C or control X, and automatically open. You can set your own hotkeys however you want it, so you can operate from your head. You see what I'm saying? Like automatically, boom, it'd be so quick. Yeah.
I'm gonna play with NinjaTrader today. I'm gonna play with it.
I made some ATMs that trail like crazy. One time, one of them like got to like 1,000. I'm like 3 micros or some shit. That day was like every day. Yeah.
That's what you trade micros too?
Yeah, I trade micros. The most I trade. If I take a loss on that account, it's a done day. Like for whatever account, if I take a loss, it's a loss, and I won't trade no more trades.
Yeah, my fault, y'all. I was getting my cops.
Go ahead. What'd you say, sir?
I'm telling fam about the ATMs.
About the what? I didn't hear you.
About the ATMs.
Oh, in Ninja.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was telling him that I was telling him that I use NinjaTrader, but I don't. I use Trader. I have NinjaTrader, but I use it to get the TradingView to you. I use TradingView just for my technicals. You know what I'm saying?
Once you see those tools, bro, you'll never want to use TradingView. Like that's how it was, and I ended up canceling my because I was paying for that the something account, like some basic or something where I can get like extra.
Yeah, the basic. Yeah, like what, $14 a month or something like that.
And I ended up canceling it.
Yeah, for me personally, I think NinjaTrader is a professional traders platform. I know a lot of people, they rather TradingView and all these other platforms because they think it's more aesthetically pleasing, which maybe is true, yeah, but everything that you can do in TradingView, you can do in NinjaTrader.
Have you guys ever tried TraderVate?
Huh?
Y'all ever tried trading on TraderVate?
No, but I can put my TraderVate accounts on NinjaTrader.
Right. I was just asking, have you ever tried? Yeah. I know you can put them on there.
But in terms of actually placing trades on TraderVate, nah. Actually, I'm lying. I
have before too, but man, maybe once or twice. You know what I'm saying? I just try to see how it works.
Yeah.
ATMs, so you can go back on your trades and see, okay, for the average, you know, based on my strategy or my eye, whatever you want to say it, I do 10 points, 15 points. So you can say a hard target at that point, and then just have like an extra micro, 2 micros for your runners. And bro, I'm telling you, there'll be days that you're like, what is this? Like a 3-1 and a 1-3. I mean, you know what I mean? Like the ratio, like it's crazy. And you won't have to worry about it because it's risk free and it's just the ATM.
And I actually have Replicanto too, so I use my Replicanto setup through Ninja Trader also.
Yeah. Yeah, you sound like you're in the right place.
Yeah, yeah. I've been using Replicanto for a while.
Yeah, you sound like you're in the right place with the group, because basically everything. I mean, for the most part, most traders all use the same tools. So I've been on Ninja Trader since like 2019. And yeah, I've seen all the upgrades they've made. I've seen all the changes in Replicanto. I've seen all the changes with all the prop firms. I've been around. So it's the space is a good time to be a futures trader in prop firms. I know that.
I be trying to tell people, like, I told some of the options, my buddies that still option trading, I'm like, bro, y'all need to come on. I call it the dark side. I said, bro, y'all need to come on over to the dark side, man. I said, bro, everybody leaving options. Everybody I know, like, that I started in this game with, they left options and now they trading futures. You know what I'm saying? Even if it's for like the leverage or the making more money or just, you know what I'm saying? Like people, like a lot of people leaving options and just regular stop trading and coming on over the futures, man. I'm so glad I did it, bro. Shoot. Now I could go back to options and make a killing right now if I wanted to, but I said I'd go back eventually one day and start trading both of them, like, you know, just have both of them. But it's no point, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. That's how I feel too. Like for me, I'm just like, I'm gonna keep milking these firms, just keep doing what I'm doing, just keep on doing what I do, and I don't need to make any changes. I see a lot of people, they start doing something, they see a little bit of success, and then they want to change. They want to add to it, and they want, like, nah, just keep doing what you're doing. It's working. Keep doing what you're doing.
You know, they say that's what made coaches so great. They said no matter what, Phil Jackson, like, I know y'all know who Phil Jackson is. He coached the Bulls back in the day and the Lakers with Kobe. They were saying, yeah, they say he just stuck no matter what. He just stuck to, they say great coaches stick to what they do best. No matter what, they just stick, like, they're not trying to tweak, they're not trying to change it. I'm going to stick to what I know works for me.
Mm-hmm. Triangle offense is the killer.
Yep. I'm gonna play around with this. I'm gonna play around with this Ninja Trader chart for a minute and see it out.
Well, I tell you, those ATMs, you're gonna love them. You're gonna be surprised on how many, because there's so many times where we say, man, I can still be in that trade. I'll be on this side. Just let one runner, you know, it's gonna do its thing. It comes back and gets it. It's whatever, you know.
Mm-hmm. But at least you gave yourself the chance.
Yeah, amen. And then you won't be saying, oh, I could have gone this far, I could have caught this. No, you let it run, and at that, it already secured you some profit too.
Yep.
Yeah, like you have a, yeah.
Yep.
We'll do it. Okay, I see it here. Sample ATM strategy. So, Sergio, you say you live in Kansas? Who one of you guys say y'all live in Kansas?
I live in Kansas.
And where do you live?
I'm in Boston.
Oh, you up there?
Yeah, I'm in Boston right now. And also, too, once you get into the Discord, you'll be able to see like what we've done. Well, I know I've added some like different indicators and different tools and commissions templates for certain props and all. We've done a bunch in the Discord to try to clean it up. And yeah, there's just a bunch of resources in there for whatever.
A lot of resources.
I've tried to, and every time I find something, I'll add it, or whoever finds something, they add it, just to be able to share some things with the group. So yeah, that's what it's about.
The Discord link is on the chat. On the chat I added you to, on the Facebook chat.
Is it on Facebook?
Yeah, I added you to the group earlier. But the link to the Discord it's on that chat. I think it's like save links or something like that.
Hold on. You said on Facebook or on the Zoom?
On Facebook, on Messenger.
On the Facebook chat.
Oh, Messenger. Oh, okay. I thought you meant like a regular post on Facebook.
And we have the link to the Discord on that chat.
Yep.
This is the whole squad right here. All of us that like chop it up together.
Okay. I see. I just posted that picture in there. This the strategy. This the strategy that I trade 24/7. You see how we sold down. We came down into a key level of interest. We put in a green doji, and boom! I just take the trade to the upside just like that. Right off the doji candle is the green doji candle is just I don't enter on. I don't. Yeah, Hackenachi. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't enter on that. I don't enter the doji candle is just my confirmation. I don't enter on that. My confirmation is the very next candle. If the next candle opens up green with some volume, that's my entry. And I put my stop loss below the doji candle. And as you can see, neither time we even came back and tried to even remotely test the doji candle, the confirmation. We just shot it up and fucking skyrocketed both times.
Hey, that's cold.
Man, that's all I trade. That's all I trade. Pullbacks. I want to see a pullback, a doji candle with volume, and I want the next candle to open up with some volume, but I want it to be the color in the direction that I'm trying to go. If it's green, then I know that we are trying to reverse and go back to the upside. And it was two trades. I caught both of those trades right there. Like I said, I just ended up selling before they went to the moon. I probably took about $200, $300 off these trades.
See, and that's a cool thing though with those ATMs, because it could, I don't know how like you would set it, but like you could just let it play as a runner and let it do its thing.
Yeah, man, that's how simple my strategy is. I just put like I said, my key level of interest, and just see do we react to those levels. If we don't react to them, I don't take a trade. Like that's why. So I tell people, I like even new people that I try to teach. I know they don't get it, but I be like, bro, it's just that simple. I put my levels there. I wait on my levels to get hit, and I wait on my confirmation. I wait on my candlesticks. I don't want to see a big red candlestick going through my level. Like I want to see we trying to hold the level, and once I see that we put in a doji candle or a reversal candle or anything that's signaling that we're gonna go up, that is my confirmation that it's a possibility that we can go up. And when the next candle opens up green higher, that's my entry, and I put my stop loss below the candle. My reason why candle. I call my reversal candle the reason why. This is the reason why I'm entering this trade. That's why I call it the reason why candle.
Hey, that's solid. That's solid. Here lately, I've been doing market open and waiting on the 5 minute to close.
Oh, okay. You do the 5. Are you doing like the 5 minute range break or something?
Yep.
I normally do I like the 15 minute. It give me a better, even though I know I probably been missed a 5 minute trade, But the 15 minutes just kind of give me a little more time to like see, like that.
Yeah, I'll be doing 5 minute, 61A. At times, depending on the trend, if we have like a very strong trend, I'll do a pullback on the 38, and then on the expansions, I'll do the 50.
Okay. Especially this 61.8 on those pullbacks. If it's a rangy type day, them things play out well. Especially if it's coming back. If you're 61.8 aligns with a level or a VWAP or a EMA, that kind of give you double confirmation, to take that trade. That's how I look at it. But sometimes I see most of the time I be looking for at least 2 or 3 things to work in my favor. That's how that A+ setup comes in. Once you have 2 or 3 things kind of working in your favor. But y'all did say y'all have a Discord too, right? Let's see.
Yeah. If you look on the Facebook chat and at the bottom at pinned messages, I wonder where it went.
Right, I'm looking for it.
We did have a pin. It went away for some reason.
Do any of you guys do content? Do y'all ever try to make money off content?
We have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I wouldn't say I try to make money off content, but yeah, there's a YouTube channel. So just putting videos out just to go back and look at them, just to shit like that. But
right.
Yes, sir. Yeah. No, this market is nice.
Okay, I just dropped the invite link on Facebook.
Yes, sir.
I have the mud.
Yes, sir.
I like that.
Also on the Facebook chat, if you want to put it on mute, because every once in a while people be like, and I guess some people too, but we be talking there late, bro. Like it could be like midnight or
trust me. Just imagine. Just think about how many groups I actually have in Porto. I know how to put it on mute. Trust me.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
My phone don't do nothing. But when I told my old lady, like, she hates it because I trade, so everything coming to my phone. Middle of the night, like it's just news. Like I got this news notification. Like there's anything going on, automatically come to my phone. All my other Discord, like my phone just constantly goes off. So I'll be having to cut everything off at night. When I'm sleeping with. So shoot, my phone goes off 24/7.
Yeah, same. Yeah, we stay pretty active on the Facebook chat, and we send the link in the morning, and every once in a while, like there's always like different people, tapping in, just top it up.
I need to change this setting. You guys planning on taking in another trade today? Y'all done?
Yeah, we done for the day.
I'm
done. You still taking any more trades, Luke?
For me, no, man, I'm done. Like I shook back from yesterday. Even though today is a small day for me, like I normally have, I made. Let me go look at the premiere. It was a 551 or something like that.
Yeah, it's a good day. It's a good day. All green.
Man, I'm fine with that. That's way better than having I lost $700 something yesterday. But But that was, like I said, that was across 3 accounts. So, but man, I'm good with today. Look, I'm just trying to end this month green as it can be. If I can, what we have like 3 more days. We have Friday. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 more trading days in September. If I can just end this month green, that'll be a great month for me. That'll mean I've been made probably like 7,200 for the month of September. I'm fine with that. And now October, I'm gonna come in, try to go a little harder, and cause my homecoming this month, October. My homecoming, my old high school, like where I'm from, like Louisiana. I don't know about y'all, but it's a huge homecoming. Is a fucking huge thing here. Like it's real big. So all our classes, like from everybody, like we throw this big old party during the game, football games, and like we be out in the field tailgating, cooking food, meeting old people you went to school with, and even the whole weekend is like dedicated to something. We be doing something the whole week, bro. So I need to have me a little extra money for that.
Well, let's go. Such a good feeling when you say, "Man, this came from trading. This is my head right here." I'm holding my head.
I took a payout yesterday for $575. No, day 4 yesterday I took one out for $575. Yesterday I took one out for $551. So I done probably took about $1,200 this week. I don't try to take much right off the top because I do work too. So I don't want to be greedy. Like I get paid once a week from my job, and if I take a once a week payout or twice a week payout from my trading, man, that's like $3,000 a week. You know what I'm saying? So. I be saying some people like, man, I made $52,000 payout. I'm like, man, that's cool. I get that one day, you know.
Bro, man. Me, I got a long way to go. Like y'all far ahead for me, but I do love the way that things are looking. I know that I'm on the right track. You feel me?
Yeah, man. You just gotta, man, bro. I'm telling you, man, it's mental, man. That mental game with trading is, my God, that mental, bro. Man, that's why I'm not taking no more trades today. I'm in a good space right now. I shook back from yesterday. I don't care if I made $5 a day. It's a green day, man. Shoot, you know it's better than yesterday, bro.
You know that's right. That's right for sure. You know how you mature when you can come back and like those days, bro. They used to get the best out of me. It'd take me weeks to get out of that space.
Yeah.
Oh no, I did this, I did that, and just self-sabotage. But now, you come into the market and it's a fresh mind. Okay, whatever. I'll do what I do every day.
See, I'm a huge sports guy, so I kind of try to relate trading to sports. I played quarterback in high school, so it's kind of like throwing an interception. Your next time on the field, you can't have the interception in your head. You got to throw that out the window. Like, hey, bro, throw an interception. It's time for the next drive. You got to go out there, bro. You got to forget that you've done that.
Yeah.
If you don't forget about the interception, you're gonna self-sabotage yourself. You're not gonna have confidence stepping back on this field again. You gotta let that go.
Yeah.
I just come to the sideline. My coach would always slap my head and say, "Hey, boom, get that one out the head. Get that out. Look, you gotta be ready to go, Nick. Get that out the head. You gotta let that go." That didn't even happen.
I have heard that in a few books where they say trading is like a sport. It's crazy.
It's like a sport. I'm telling you, man. That's how I treat it.
All right, family. Well, I'm fixing to go hit the gym.
Yeah, me too, man. I'm about to take me a little small nap, man, and get up.